Hi, my name's Eric. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out an entire recording kit for only 36 bucks. In the kit, you get everything you need to get started with recording: the appropriate USB-A cable to plug it into a computer, a dual-layer pop filter, a 24-bit 192 kHz USB microphone, a foam windscreen, a clamp-on desk mount scissor arm, and a clamp-on shock mount for the microphone. Pre-installed, there's a 5/8 to 3/8 inch stand adapter, so if you don't want to use the scissor boom arm, you can upgrade to a real mic stand. And that's everything you need to get started apart from a set of headphones. The microphone itself has an all-metal build construction and feels pretty solid. The shock mount I've used multiple times, and for many years I have used these style of shock mount. They are totally fine. Worst thing that's ever happened to me is one of the elastic things breaks on it. You could just replace that with a hair tie. I would pass on using the foam windscreen, even though I am using it currently to record this voiceover. The dual layer fabric pop filter does a fairly decent job by itself to eliminate plosives. So if you really find that you need to attenuate your plosives a little bit more heavily, try recording off axis instead. I have also used these scissor arms multiple times. I do like them. The one that came in the kit is a little bit less nice than the one that I just ordered recently by itself. The springs are a little bit louder, not quite as tight, so the quality control on the one in the kit is not as high as the standalone unit, but it serves its purpose. And setup time. The shock mount is a friction fit. From there, I'm going to slide on the foam windscreen, even though I don't recommend that you use it. Setting up the boom arm is simple. You just slide it over whatever you want to clamp it onto, in my case a table, and then you tighten down the C-clamp. You can either screw the shock mount on with or without the mic in it. If you're going to screw it in with the mic in it, just be careful, you don't want to drop it. The dual layer pop filter clamps right onto the boom arm itself. The USB port on the bottom of the microphone is fairly firm, and yeah, it's a solid feeling connection. And yeah, that's it. Catch you next week with another video.